Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. And so today we solve the problem of Pythagorean triplet. That is a very good problem, and that is a very mathematical based problems. So in that problem, we just see the problem says that given an array and return true if there is a triplet A, B, C from the array where A, B, and C are on different indexes that satisfies A square plus B square is equal to C square, otherwise return false, which means we have the problem and we have the array, and that array we just have to get the we just have to satisfy this formula, like A square plus B square is equal to C square, which means if we take this 3 is our A square and 2 is a B square, then 4 is the C square. So in that problem we just see can we satisfy the our first formula, like 3 is equal to 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 and 4 is 13, and 4 4 is 16. So that is not matched, and that is not the relevant and that is not the true. So can we check another one, like 2 3 and 4 is 9, and the 16 is a 24 25, and there is a 5 5 5 is a 5 5 is 25. So in that we just have to get the correct answer. So the solution is, the solution is always true. So in that, so if I will solve this same problem in brute force, so that is the brute force is very easy, like array dot size, and then for int I is equal to 0, and then is equal to n and I plus plus, and then for int j is equal to I plus 1, and z then is equal to n and j plus plus, and for int k is equal to j k is equal to j plus 1, and z then is equal to n and j plus plus, right? And int a is equal to array of I, and int b is equal to array of j, and int c is equal to array of k. So if array of so if a and a into a plus b into b is equal to c into c, and b into b plus c into c is equal to a into a, and then c into c plus a into a is equal to b into b. So in that return true, otherwise return false. So that is the brute force approach. So we can check it will run or not. So that is very obvious, it will not pass the all test cases. And what is the problem? If I can see C here, equal to B and C is equal to A, and C and A is equal to B, that is the correct one. Yeah, so it will not the pass all the test cases. So what we have to use here, so we can use here to the very, that means a basic, and that is the very good approach to use the, and uh, yes, so we can solve the optimal approach is very basic, like vector in frequency we can take the 1001, one will increase, and then for int x of array to frequency of x plus plus, for int a is equal to 1 and a then is equal to 1000 and a plus plus, and if frequency of a is equal to 0, then continue for int b is equal to a and b then is equal to 1000 and b plus plus, and if frequency of b is equal to 0 then continue. Int c2 is equal to a into a plus b into b, and int c is equal to square root of c2. If c into c is equal to c2 and c is equal to 1000 and frequency of c 0, then if a is equal to b and frequency of a is equal to b, continue. And if a is equal to b and b is equal to c and frequency of a equal to 3, continue, right, and return true, otherwise return false. Now see what happening there. Yes, it will pass the test cases, and yes, so it will also pass all the test cases and submit. So in that, the time complexity is order of n square and space is order of 1. So that is the optimal approach of this code. So thank you seeing for till the end. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.